Hi, this is the question 6b. List out applications of transmission lines. This question is given for 6 marks, April-May 2016, set 3. So this comes under chapter transmission lines, one chapter. So let us see what are the applications of the transmission lines. First, they are used to transfer energy from one circuit to another. The first application is they are used to transfer energy or information from one circuit to another. The second one is they can be used as circuit elements like inductors, capacitors, resonant circuits and so on. That means this transmission lines can be used as like inductors, capacitors, series resonant circuit and parallel resonant circuits. Depending upon the length of the transmission line, the transmission lines behave like inductor, capacitor, series resonant circuit and parallel resonant circuits. So they can be used as impedance matching devices. So that means in order to transfer, because suppose this is a transmission line, suppose if you want to transfer maximum energy to the load, maximum power to the load, then we use a transmission line for impedance matching to the source to transfer maximum energy to the load. So therefore this transmission line can be used as a matching device to transfer maximum power to the load. So they can be used as stubs. As you know that there are two kinds of stubs, single stub and a double stub, which is used also for impedance matching. So they can be used as measuring devices because these transmission lines can be used as to measure voltage standing wave ratio, reflection coefficient, attenuation measurement, like that many parameters we can measure by using the transmission lines. Like VSWR we can measure, VSWR voltage standing wave ratio we can measure. So we can measure attenuation, etc. by using transmission lines. So coaxial cables are frequently used in laboratories to connect televisions to TV antennas. This is a general application of coaxial cables, where we can find the coaxial cables to connect televisions to the antennas, and the microstrip lines are used in integrated circuits in which metallic strips connecting electronic elements are deposited on the dielectric substrates. As I have mentioned earlier, suppose this is microstrip line. Microstrip line is one type of transmission line, so which is used in microwave integrated circuits. So this is the dielectric substrate. Actually this is the dielectric substrate of permittivity epsilon r. So where a small strip runs over this dielectric. So this strip is used to connect one element to another element in microwave integrated circuits. So that is what we have written. Microstrips are used in integrated circuit in which these metallic strips are used to connect electronic components, that is one component to another components. These strips are deposited over dielectric substrates. The next thing is twisted pates and coaxial cables are used in computer networks such as Ethernet and Internet, where we find regularly use LAN cables, something like that. Pair of parallel lines are used in, next application is pair of parallel lines are used in telephony and power transmission. So that means pair of parallel lines, this is pair of parallel lines. This type of pair of parallel lines are used in telephone circuits and power transmission. We regularly see in power cables where we transfer power. So this is one of the application of transmission line. Next, 10. Planar lines are used to connect transmitters and antennas. The planar lines means rectangular waveguides. The planar lines means rectangular waveguides and circular waveguides. These are called as planar transmission lines, which are used generally to connect transmitters and antennas in microwave frequency range. Last application is optical fibers are used to transmit information over long and short distances with negligible attenuation. So that means, as you know, that optical fiber cable consisting of a core and cladding, where we transfer information in the form of light through the core. So this is the core, so this is the cladding. So these optical fiber cables are used to transfer information over long distances and short distances with negligible attenuation. So these are the applications of transmission lines. So what different in different application areas. Thank you.